So in this video, we're going to be talking about OmniRoute. So it's a tool that lets you run free AI models on Hermes Agent using one endpoint. But here's the thing most tutorials don't tell you, that some of these providers can actually ban your personal accounts. And the routing feature everyone hypes up on their video, I don't really recommend it. So if you stick around, I'll show you which free providers actually work, how to set it up, and what to avoid. And there are chapters in this video, so feel free if you want to skip ahead to the tutorial. So first, what is OmniRoute? You can think of it like a traffic router for all of your AI models. So you install it on your PC, it runs on localhost, and it gives you one endpoint that connects to a bunch of free providers. So instead of signing up for 10 different AI services and juggling one API key, OmniRoute handles all of that for you. Having one connection for all of those models. Now, OmniRoute has this auto routing thing. It scores every available model based on 12 factors: cost, latency, how close a is to its rate limit. If one provider goes down, it automatically swaps to the next one. But again, here's the thing: I don't actually recommend using the routing feature, and here's why. As I've said in the intro, some providers will straight up ban your account if they catch you using a proxy. We're talking about using anti gravity. If you've checked the news, they've been banning accounts, so meaning your Gmail, your Google Drive, anything personal stuff would be gone. And many of these providers explicitly prohibit proxy routing in their terms of service. And OmniRoute is a proxy. And on top of that, it adds overhead. So it runs a local server, it uses about 500 megabytes of RAM. And on a budget PC like mine, you'll feel that sluggishness. And of the 90 plus free providers that they advertise, only a handful actually work reliably. And the rest are just sign up credits or it's just dead. So what do you actually need for your Hermes agent instead of OmniRoute? Well, I did have my past videos showing you on how to use those providers for free. Just hooking it up directly to Hermes agent. You don't need a middleman eating your RAM. You just need to connect directly, like my first tutorial. Don't worry, I'll put those in the description. Now, if you really decided to use OmniRoute, then here are the providers that I actually recommend. And I've tested all of these, of course. So Client API gives you the free DeepSeek for Flash, and KiloCode, of course, they have a direct API, as I've said. But if you wanna just wanna try things out, then feel free. And for this one, OpenCode is actually free without logging in, without using their Zen API. So I think this is a plus, but I don't really know if they're tracking or limiting it based on IP. Okay, so I've seen a lot of tutorials not mentioning this TOS thing. And Google can ban your account if they detect proxy usage. And once you're banned, you lose everything in that account. And most free providers, yeah, they explicitly prohibit automated proxy access. You can take a look at their TOS. And as I've said, OmniRoute is exactly that thing. But I don't really know what my AI agent put here, but adding direct API keys here is just honestly, just put it in your Hermes agent directly rather than putting it here. Okay, but if you're still decided and you still want to try OmniRoute, well then let's get started on installing it. So let's just open our terminal. There we go, terminal. Now I'm gonna zoom it in, and then let's go back here to omniroute.online, or you could just Google OmniRoute and then click the start free button and then find this npm install -g OmniRoute. Now, this took 20 minutes for me to install. I don't really like the bloat that this brings into my PC. I know this should be a tutorial, but this is also a way of you to. I know this is a tutorial video, but it's more of like people discouraging uh to use OmniRoute because I don't want to be fake with you guys, or I don't want to put some fake stuff here, fake news or whatever. I did benefit from having OmniRoute. Let's just install this while I'm talking. So it is already installed on my device. I'll just cancel it later on after I yap. Like I did get like quite a lot of tokens, but I didn't really want to risk my Google account. And the way that I found out that some of my models are like basically my whole PC is slow is just because of OmniRoute adding 500 megabytes of RAM. But either way, let's just cancel the download. But yeah, you'll just see after it's been installed, let's just go back to this normal screen and then just type OmniRoute. And then I do think we're gonna be encountering an error here if your OmniRoute did not start immediately. So as you can see, mine is not loading properly. Okay, so if this doesn't load for 60 seconds, it will show an error. And there we go. We had an error. So if we take a look at here, read this error, but you find that we have the local link here or local host. You could just click that. Maybe it shows different on you. Maybe you don't have an errors with your OmniRoute, but mine just doesn't work. Okay, so the default password is change me. Since we are on a local device, we are only using this locally. I wouldn't really just change this, you know? I mean, if I want something that just works, then yeah. Also, let's try to take a look at the memory usage of OmniRoute, which is 435 megabytes of RAM. I mean, it's not a lot, but yeah, it's still a significant amount just for a router. Okay, so before we get started with anything, I'd like you to remind you that you need to avoid these shiny things. Let's say, for example, Caveman, RTK, and also Headroom. If you want to try it, feel free, of course. You want to try it, feel free, of course. And you could just do your own research, but these are just token saving techniques that I wouldn't really even bother myself to do because the point of using OmniRoute is not putting your codex plan. Well, you can put your codex plan here. If you could check this one. Yeah, codex. I feel like most of you guys would just be using this for the free models, right? I do think the free models that I am only gonna use here is the OpenCode free. As you can see, Mimo code is not free anymore. It has expired like last week, but it's still here. Who's even using DuckDuckGo AI chat, Chipotle, Pepper AI, Augment? I don't know those providers, but the only thing we want here is the OpenCode and the new DeepSeek V4 Flash. So let's just say hello and let's see if it would reply back, which is taking quite a bit of a long time. Come on now. Okay, that took quite a long time, which is 200. No, it's like 2 seconds. Maybe another provider that we could use. As I've said, you can use KiloCode. You could just click providers here. They have this no offer. You could just like use this without signing in, and we also have free tiers. Okay, they also have Agent Router, and they also have Kimiko CLI. I don't know what's this founding friend or whatever, but let's try to use Klein. I think this one has provider with the usage caveats. Let's see how what this does. Okay, it does nothing. I think the way we're gonna log in is like click add connection, and then yeah, there we go. So this provider uses your official product OAuth, which is not authorized for proxy router use. Of course, we're not gonna use this, but yeah, I'm really sorry, but yeah, we'll just try to log in. Okay, there we go. Now that we are authorized, let's just try to text whether I mean try DeepSeek Reaver Flash if it works. Hopefully it works. Okay. Yeah, it does work. It's 12,312 ms. Oh yeah, I'm really not in the mood today, but okay, now that we have our endpoints, I mean the providers, you could just click endpoints and then copy this one to Hermes Agent. So let's open up Hermes Agent and then okay, there we go. Let's open setting. I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit for you guys. Okay, my bad. I should have just zoomed in the video. Really sorry, guys. But I don't really want to repeat the recording again. Let's just go to the providers here and then custom endpoints. What should we name it? Yeah, let's just type OmniRoute. Let's just Omni. There we go. Then let's just add the endpoint right here, and then let's just click test. Maybe if it works. Okay. So it found 151 models, as you can see. We can click save, and then there we go. And I think we're kind of an okay now, which is not. Okay, so here's the problem with OmniRoute also. Like it doesn't really refresh the models even when you close the Hermes app. I think it has a bug. Like it just really doesn't work with Hermes that well. We could try fixing it first by refreshing the models. Now you see, I've already resetted this Omni route thing. But if this does work for you, then do that. But if you have these kind of error, then feel free to ask a model here on your Hermes agent and just please fix Omni route. But the fastest way that we're gonna be fixing this is by clicking settings again and then find the providers and then custom endpoints. So we still have this menu and we're going to be changing the default model. By the way, this is what I'm talking about, the auto best coding, because they have the best coding, the best free. I wouldn't really use those since, again, we're just focusing on free models here. I mean, free provider. So why would you even need to analyze some things up? Okay, we're just gonna go back to OmniRoute. Find our provider, which is click. Let's just click no off, and then find the open code free, and then find the OC DeepSeek flash free. And just click this copy model. Let's go back to Hermes agent and just copy paste that one. Just click save, and hopefully it does work. There we go. So we're using the DeepSeek V4 Flash Free, and then let's try to message the Hermes agent whether it works. Okay, so it is taking its time. So while we're loading up this one, we'll try to use Klein. I mean, just to try things out. Oh, okay. So local CLI runtime is not installed. Nah, I don't really have time to install this one. Do we have free buff? Okay, we don't have one. So I guess you'll have to install Klein also and a lot of things if you want to use them, but there's so many and it's just up to you to be honest. But uh, I mean, it's up to you, but I wouldn't really want to just mess with anything and just use once. Oh my days. So okay. So I think we're blocked by OpenCode. So let's just try asking the best coding for now to end the video. Let's just see if it works to be honest. And I've been also creating this is actually my second take. And I've been trying to fix OmniRoute for these videos, but it's really not working. Okay, there we go. So I do think this is DeepSeek V4 Flash chatting since that's the best free model that we have right now. Um, I don't think we added any other model there, but yeah, for some reason this thing seems to be bugged. Okay, yeah, okay. So DeepSeek V4 Flash free, as you can see. Okay, I don't know. There's something wrong with OmniRoute, but yeah, if it does work for you, then please let me know in the comments. And yeah, hope you guys learned something new. See you in the next video.